As on today, there are about 6 million jobs which are vacant for cyber security specialists. 6 million jobs. Okay. If you see, for any job, for a Java developer, for a C developer, C, C++, .NET, for any developer, there would be requirement, there would be attrition. And the requirement probably sometimes it would go up and it would come down. But in case of cyber security requirement, no matter if you consider till 2030, right, the requirement for cyber security would only go up and never come down. The requirement, if you go to any company, the technology changes, right? Earlier it used to be Java, right now people talk about Python, right? There is PHP, which is again gaining some importance as on today, right? There is Node.js, JavaScripting, the technology changes, people move on. But for cyber security specialists till 2030, as per the market research that people have done, right? I'll give you the statistics. I'll also give you references of Forbes, Gartner, cyber security specialists, all these reports, including FBI reports, right? Where they claim that this is what is happening in the market and this is the requirement for cyber security specialists. If you are good with just the knowledge of cyber security, you will land up having a job easily in the market. Like, see, it is very easy. If somebody comes and takes my file, I'll create a virus program inside my file. As soon as somebody takes that file, he'll open it. That virus will send a notification back to me saying that this file was stolen from you. I will keep that virus in all the files. And I know about that virus and I know how to deal with it. Yes or no? Right? It is creating a virus for a hacker. If he takes my file, I'm going to hack his entire system. Okay? So that feasibility is there. You can integrate that in your Word document, PDF document, right? In your videos that you have. If somebody opens it, it automatically sends you that information that this file was taken by so-and-so. If this file was taken by this particular IP from this machine, from this country, it will give you all that information. Okay? So, yes, to answer your question, there are ways in which you don't need third-party help, or there are ways wherein you need third-party help. Because you cannot have a server. As soon as something comes online, it has to send an email or it has to send a notification through someone else. It has to be sending you or sharing you that information. Or if you create that server yourself, yes, then that means you can control others' machine with this program. Because people will steal your information and you can write some more lines of code and you start stealing others' information also. So, as and when we look at any technology, it is not that it can be used to solve one problem. It can be used to solve multiple problems and thereby giving rise to issues and privacy problems. Okay? When I told you initially that the websites, they usually been taken down by government agencies or somebody else. Why? Because people try to use these facilities to track someone, trace someone, try to intrude to their privacy. Is it clear? So this is how easy it is. Do you understand how easy it is? Did you know that such a thing exists? That you can actually go and trace someone, or if somebody takes some files from your laptop, you will get to know who has taken it, right? It is that easy. You can create these files and folders, right? Inside your laptop, you have your brother, sister, or whoever it is. Somebody comes in and then clicks on that particular document, you would get to know, right? That somebody has done something to my laptop. Is it clear?